Hello, my name is Danielle and I'm a teacher at the Minami Azabu School. Today I'm in my apartment and we are going to do a science experiment. Today we are going to look at what can clean 10 yen coins the best. We will need, what are these? Coins. Can you say coins? Good. Now, what kind of coins do I have? 10 yen coins. Can you say 10 yen coins? Awesome. So, it is better to have old, very dark brown coins so we can clean them. And we will need 6 coins. So, what are these? Cups. Can you say cups? Great job. So we will also need 6 cups. Do you know what this is? Vinegar. Can you say vinegar? Well done. What is this? Dish soap. Can you say dish soap? Awesome. What is this? Ketchup. Can you say ketchup? Awesome. So we're going to try cleaning with some ketchup today. What is this? Do you know? Salt. Please repeat. Salt. Nice job. What is this? Water. Can you say water? Good. And we will also need, this is sparkling water. Can you say sparkling water? Great. What is this? Spoon. Can you say spoon? Good job. And one more thing. We will need, what is this? A towel. Can you say towel? Good. So today, I want us to think like scientists. When scientists want to know something new, they use the scientific method. Step 1. Ask a question. Can you say ask a question? Good job. So first, we want to think about what do we want to know? So our question today is what can clean 10 yen coins the best? Step 2. Research. Can you say research? Good job. So when we research, we learn more about what we are studying. So, what are 10 yen coins made of? 10 yen coins are made of copper. Can you say copper? Great. Other things that have copper are jean zippers, pots and pans, and jewelry. So today we need to think about what cleans copper the best. Step 3. Now get ready for this. It's a pretty big word. Hypothesis. Can you say hypothesis? Good. So hypothesis is just a really big word to say what we think will happen. So, do you remember what our question is today? What can clean 10 yen coins the best? So, what do you think will clean 10 yen coins the best? Is it ketchup, salt, dish soap, vinegar, sparkling water, or water? Think about it and then pause the video and write down what you think will clean 10 yen coins the best. Step 4. Experiment. Can you say experiment? Great. So this is where it gets fun. This is where we get to test everything out and see what cleans 10 yen coins the best. So are you ready to get started? Good. Okay, let's make sure we have everything we need. Sparkling water, vinegar, ketchup, salt, dish soap, and water. And let's make sure we have 6 cups. Great. And 6 coins. Great. And we have a towel in case things get messy. And a spoon. Now we want to pour each liquid into its cup, and we want to make sure that we have enough liquid to cover each of the coins. Now for the salt and the dish soap, we want to add the water in first before we put them in. Next, we want to take 1 coin and put it in each cup. Now let's put on a timer for 30 minutes and let the coins get cleaned. Okay, now it's time to take out our coins and see how clean they are. So now we are going to take each coin, wash it under some water, and then wipe it dry. Okay, now let's go take a look at our coins. Wow, look how different they are. Which one do you think is the cleanest? Which one do you think is the dirtiest? Step 5. Results. Can you say results? Great. So results is where we look at what happened. So, what cleaned the 10 yen coins the best? So the ketchup cleaned 10 yen coins the best. Were you surprised? I was too. So what cleaned the coins the second best? So the vinegar cleaned the coins the second best. So, why did the vinegar and the ketchup work so well? Do you remember what 10 yen coins are made of? Copper, that's right. And when copper is outside, there is air all around it. And when air is around copper for a very long time, it starts to change the color. It becomes dark brown and looks very dirty and old. So, to change the dark brown 10 yen coins and clean them up to look like this, we need something called acid. Can you say acid? Good. So things that have acid are very sour. Do you know what are some sour foods? Lemons are very sour. If you bite into a lemon, it makes your face go like this. So, vinegar is also very sour. So vinegar is an acid. So that's why the vinegar cleaned up the coins very well. So, why did the ketchup clean up the 10 yen coins the best? Well, when you make ketchup, you need to put in vinegar. You also need to put in salt. So remember, vinegar is an acid, and when you add salt and put them together, salt helps the vinegar clean even more. Isn't that interesting? So step 6, our last step. Conclusion. Can you say conclusion? Great. So conclusion is where we think about what did we learn? So, what did you learn today? Pause the video and write down what did you learn today. So, I learned that ketchup cleans 10 yen coins the best. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you had fun with that science experiment. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.